Hey guys, welcome to Training Day Health Club. Today we're going to run through a few of our bars and specifically what you're going to use them for and when you would use them. So first off, we're going to identify two terms, one being our knurling, so the actual pattern on the bar from smooth to rough, and then second being whip as well, so how much bend you're actually going to have in the bar. First off, we'll run you through, this is our regular bar. It can be used for gen pop, from powerlifting to Ollie lifting specific. There's two rings on the bar that are going to be between those two sports. Also, there's no knurling in the middle as well. So if you're back squatting, you probably want a knurling there to help stay on your back. Second to that, there's a bit of spin in the bar, more so than a power bar, and less than an actual Ollie bar. Also a bit of whip as well, so it's going to bend a bit when you actually move. Second, if we then run through, we have our Ollie lifting bars. We've got a 20 kilo one, and then we also have a 15 kilo one down the bottom. Now with our Ollie bar, they're actually going to have a bit more whip through it, so a bit more bend. It's also going to spin more so than a regular. And then second to that, there's no knurling in the middle, but our actual knurling is going to be reasonably smooth. Lastly, in our kind of standard bars, we also have a powerlifting bar. Now with the powerlifting bar, we've got a knurling in the middle. The actual knurling, which is the pattern, is quite rough, so you have more grip on the bar. There's less whip in it as well, so it's very stiff and rigid, and that's comp specific to powerlifting as well. Best way to identify it, know that it doesn't spin a lot, as you can kind of see as I'm trying to spin it. Knurling in the middle, and we have a few of those brands here. Next up, we're going to run through some of our specialty bars as well. So first off, if you come with me, we have what we call an Axial Bar. Now, an Axial Bar is actually a fat grip bar. You might use it for pressing. You obviously have to, for the diameter of it, you have to grip it a bit harder, works the grip, specifically more for strongman. Next up, what we have is a Deadlift Bar. Now, our deadlift bar is actually, the length of it is going to be longer than everything else we have here at Training Day. There's no knurling in the middle, so only deadlift with this. Please don't squat or bench press because it's probably not the safest. The whip through it, so the actual bend is going to be pretty intense, specific to deadlifting, to lift more. And then the knurling's rather rough as well in comparison to an Ollie bar. Next up, we also have a trap bar or a hex bar. Now what we're actually going to use that for, when we look at it, it's going to be a shorter bar. Someone's also going to be deadlifting with it, whether you're a gen pop or an athlete, because you can stay in a neutral grip. For anyone who can't actually reach in front, if they have bad shoulder health, you might reach from the sides, pick it up, stand in the middle, stand up nice and tall with it. That's our hex. Second last, we have a Swiss bar. Now they have a few grips that are actually pretty rough. The knurling's pretty rough through it, so you can grip onto it. We have a wide range depending on the actual shoulder position. Anyone with shoulder dysfunction, you can stay in a neutral grip, and so when we're actually gripping it and we're going to press overhead, you might use it as an actual overhead press. You also might use it as a bench press, but line it up. We have it today on one of our other mobile racks. And then lastly, what we have a safety bar. Now, a safety bar is a squatting variation. We might use it as an accessory because of the handles up front. It's going to help someone with shoulder dysfunction to actually grip in front of it as well. It also allows us, when we're actually squatting, to stay in a more neutral position with our spine because we have a bit more what we call front or anterior load as well. So there's some of the bars that we have at Training Day. Give us a yell if you have any questions, but hopefully you understand a bit more of it. Happy days, happy lifting, guys.